Hi there, this is Irene Hernandez and I am the pelvic instructor at Indiva, and in this video I want to explain how we can use this technology to improve our treatment of the injuries that occur in the perineum in a woman during childbirth. So I would like to walk you through what are the therapeutic effects of Indiva, how I can use it to treat the different stages of evolution of this type of injuries, as well as how does a treatment session look like. So let's begin with the last thing, because I want to emphasize that Indiva, it is a type of technology. It is electrotherapy. It is called radiofrequency, and it delivers a wave of electricity that interacts with the tissues to produce a therapeutic response. So we are going to be applying Indiva at the same time that we are doing our own manual therapy, so that the effect of our own therapy techniques are going to be made more efficient by the use of Indiva. So the way it looks like in a treatment session is we are, in the case of treating of a perineal injury, we are going to be doing internal manual therapy with one hand, while with the other hand we will be holding the electrode, and we will be applying the electrode in contact with the perineal area, moving it slowly at the same time that with the internal hand we are performing our soft tissue mobilization techniques. So this is basically how a session looks like, and we are doing everything together at the same time. In later phases of our intervention, we may be leading the patient to do reeducation exercises for the pelvic floor, and as well we will be doing this at the same time that we are applying Indiva, because the effect of doing the exercises is going also to be improved by the use of Indiva. So let's speak now about the therapeutic effects of using Indiva. So we will walk through the different stages of evolution of the injuries to see what are the therapeutic effects that we are going to be seeking with the use of this technology. If we are treating an acute injury, this is a injury that is starting to heal. So we are going to use Indiva in a non-thermal application. That means a very low intensity that produces no heat in the tissues, or very low to no heat. And what we are going to be achieving is a stimulation of the biological response of the tissues. So when the wave is contacting the tissues of the body, is going to stimulate them, and as a result we are going to have a reduction of inflammation. We're going to improve the drainage in the area, and we are going to also help the tissues natural healing response to occur better and also to occur faster. And so this means that we will be preventing a worse course of evolution of the healing process, in which it may develop more adhesions if we didn't use Indiva. In the case that we are treating an injury that has more weeks to months of evolution, we are already encountering a scar that may have some level of fibrosis in it and some adhesions, and also there may be also more changes in the pelvic floor muscles, in the sense that there can be more hypertonicity as well as development of trigger points, resulting in more lack of coordination of the pelvic floor muscles. In this case, we are going to be using a thermal application, so there's more intensity in the settings, and there will be an increased perception of heat by the patient. And the therapeutic effect that we are achieving with this is an improvement in the vascularization, so it means more blood supply is going to be delivered to the area, more delivery of oxygen. We are going to be stimulating the activity of the fibroblast cells, and that's going to mean new production of collagen that is going to help us. All of these therapeutic effects are going to help us to be able to break fibrosis, resolve adhesions, and improve the remodeling with new collagen of the scar. So anyone who is a pelvic floor physical therapist and has treated a perineal scar that has months of evolution knows very well how difficult it is and how slow it is to be able to really create significant changes in one of these scars. Thank you very much.